A substantial cause for Arkansas's regionally worst manufacturing labor productivity is the state's increasingly high regulatory burden. According to the annual Economic Freedom of North America report, Arkansas's regulatory freedom has been decreasing since 2005. On an annual basis, only Alabama and Mississippi are more burdensome than Arkansas. The annual increase in regulatory burden is troubling for the growth prospects of Arkansas's manufacturing industry, as research by Akers shows that high regulatory burdens negatively impact labor productivity. One reason for this adverse relationship is the fact that strict regulations constrain manufacturers' choice in production processes. It is often the case that under such regulations, manufacturers are not permitted to use the most efficient production processes, which causes worker productivity to suffer. Perhaps a more important consequence of high regulatory burdens is the uncertainty they create. With increased uncertainty surrounding the production environment, manufacturers decrease their investment into new machinery and equipment. This is particularly harmful for the manufacturing industry because workers rely on capital to make them more productive. With better equipment, the same number of manufacturing workers are able to produce more output than they previously were, which leads to higher wages. Strict regulations, however, create an environment where manufacturers are not willing to invest as much as they otherwise would, thereby depressing productivity and wages. For the manufacturing industry to thrive, Arkansas must provide a regionally competitive regulatory environment. In doing so, Arkansas will see increased productivity, greater retention of current manufacturers, and an influx of new manufacturers. This means more, higher-paying jobs for our deserving residents.